Welcome to the unboxing of the CNC Racing clutch cover. It's a milled clutch cover with a transparent piece where you can see your clutch, like on the old dry clutches and on the Panigale models. It's a whole cover that replaces the OEM cover and has a transparent part with a seal ring to show the underlying clutch. It comes beautifully packaged, safe for anything that can happen during transport. And here's the cover itself. It's beautifully milled. It has all these great little details that make it stand out from anything there's available. As you can see, it's quite a piece. Replaces the stock cover without modifications. And it comes with a seal ring to keep the oil in. And it has the transparent part included where you can see your clutch. For the ring itself, you can choose from 4 colors: black, red, gold and silver. Those are sold separately, so you can get your clutch cover in 4 colors and matching rings in 4 colors to make it perfectly the way you want it. Available at GeGBike-EU.com, and if you have any questions, please feel free to ask.